My people, I greet you all. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Before Atu election, before Nigerian election, many people were advised to vote rightly, the rightful candidate. But out of tribalism and sentiments, they went on and voted the wrong party because of this person is from my tribe, that person is from my tribe. But now, see how the cost of living, as high as in how high the cost of living is now in Nigeria. This man was seen crying on the street. From the language, this man is from the Western Nigeria. And these people are Tinubu's brothers and sisters. Most of them were the people that has been saying all sorts of things, that they will never vote Igbo people. Most of them were the people that are, how will I put it? That we are maltreating our people there, bullying our people, beating them. Some of our people were wounded during that election there in Lagos, just because they voted for B2B. Or maybe they don't want them to come out and vote for B2B. See it now. Some of them are crying now. In anything you do, remove tribalism in your life. Remove this person is from my side, that person is from my side. Vote for the rightful candidate. Vote for the right person. Try and vote for the right person. This country, Nigeria, is not it at all. Our politicians don't care about us. They don't care about our living. They don't care about how we live and how we survive. Many are suffering. Many are dying on a daily basis. And many are complaining. Nobody's hearing them. Nobody's cared about them. Some people, the weak-hearted, will resort to crime, will resort to criminalism or criminality. The weak-minded will resort to criminality because they have no other option. See this guy now, a full-grown man, crying in the street. I believe this happened in Lagos. Yes, because of the cost of foodstuffs in the market. Everything has skyrocketed. He cannot even buy it because the thing has skyrocketed. Very, very costly. Well, I'm glad this has taught many people. It has taught many people some lesson. Next time, they will learn to vote the rightful candidate. That is if they are alive to witness this to an end. This is too bad. Cement is the price of cement in the market, and I think is about 15,000 naira. Fuel is about 700 something naira, and people are not even talking about it. People are not even complaining. The same Igbo people that are bullying, and now the people that are doing well. Yes, Igbo man can never beg. Igbo man can never beg for food. Igbo man can never beg you for anything. Yes, we are contented. And our God is blessing us in anything we are doing. We are prosperous. Well, I like some Yoruba people because there are some Yoruba people who are good also. And there are some bad Yorubas. Yes. In every tribe, there are good people and bad people. Tinubu, I don't know what he thinks about the people. The people are complaining. The people are yelling. The foodstuffs is high. Everything is high. Our money is useless. Naira is still, Tinubu is doing nothing. Yes. He's turned deaf ears. He turned deaf ears. Gwa na-eti eje n'azụ. Ihe niile anyị na-ekwu na-emetụ Tinubu n'ahụ. Mgbe a na-atụ elekshọn a, ndị Yoruba niile, ha ncha niile na-eti Tinubu no Igbo aga abade now Biafra nka. Now what is happening? Tinubu abanyela. People na-ata afụfụ. Achọrọ m ka ị watch a video ka ịfụ ihe m na-ekwu. Try and watch this video. Drop your comments on the comment section and tell us your mind about the video. Thank you.
Lè fi 5,000 so ń jẹ mọ́ wàhálà máa ti dé.
Ẹ̀wà ló dé this year. Ẹ̀wà ló dé this year.
2,200. Irú wàhálà wo wá lélẹ̀ ìwọ lọ. Bro, sell out for me 2,000 now.
That is the last price. Accept if you are looking for local people.
Àbí irú wàhálà wo lélẹ̀ kí ni mo fẹ́ jẹ lálẹ́ yìí báyìí 2,200 naira ráìsì. Àbí irú wàhálà wo làwọn kọ́ Nàìjíríà báyìí ọlọ́wọ́. Irú wàhálà wo la kọ̀ báyìí 2,200 naira ráìsì. Irú wàhálà wo la kọ̀ báyìí. Kí ni ìjọba yìí wá ń ṣe fún wa báyìí wọ̀ lọ máa ṣàánú wa 2,200 naira ráìsì. Sábà ní jáde jẹun Nàìjíríà mọ́ ni. Èwo ni ìjọba bàbá yìí ṣe fún wa yọ náà máa ṣàánú wa. Ọ̀gá please now. Irú wàhálà olólè. Ìjọba bàbá Tinubu ìjọba tí ó dára bá bẹ bàbá Tinubu yẹn ṣàánú wa. Wọ́n mi wá jọ 2,200 naira ráìsì. 2,000 ló wà lọ́wọ́ mi táwọn ọmọ mi fẹ́ fi jẹun lálẹ́ yẹn jọ náà. Ẹ̀yin tá dìbò fún bàbá yẹn bá bẹ bàbá yìí. Ẹ̀yin tá dìbò fún bàbá yẹn bá wà bẹ. Ẹ̀yin tá dìbò fún bàbá yẹn bá wà bẹ ṣàlù wa. Ẹ bá wà bẹ bàbá yìí tá àdìjẹun Nàìjíríà mọ́ ni. Ebi ń pa wá ẹ ṣàlù wa. Bro, 2,000 de my. I do 2,000 de my. 2,000 wà lọ́wọ́ mi mà 2,000 wà lọ́wọ́ mi. Okay, sell that for me, please. Ẹ ṣé mami, ẹ ṣé ma, ẹ ṣé ojú òní tí yé o.
No, don't worry.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, sir. Ẹ ṣé mami, ẹ ṣé ma, ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé gbọ́mà o, ẹ ṣé o.